Welcome back. For tech fans, the start of the year means one thing: CES, the place where the future gets unveiled. This year, CES 2025 wasn't just about faster gadgets, it was about tech that felt straight out of sci-fi. I've narrowed it down to the 10 most jaw-dropping innovations that could change how we live, work, and play. Let's dive in. Imagine stepping into your living room and finding a high-tech armchair that's more than just a seat. It's your personal health guardian. Meet the AI-powered Personal Health Pod, a revolutionary device that brings the doctor's office right to your home, blending seamlessly into your daily life. As soon as you sit down, the pod springs to life, scanning your body in real time with a network of advanced sensors. These sensors are designed to be non-intrusive, so you barely notice them working, but they're constantly gathering vital information. The pod tracks everything from your heart rate and hydration levels to your blood oxygen, stress, and even sleep quality. It builds a comprehensive, ever-evolving health profile that's unique to you, updating with every scan and every day. But it doesn't stop at collecting data. The AI inside the pod learns your habits and health patterns over time, flagging any unusual changes or potential issues. It can spot early warning signs of illness, track your progress toward health goals, and even offer tailored advice, like when to hydrate, exercise, or rest. If the system detects something concerning, it can instantly connect you to a real doctor through a secure video call, sharing your full health report and recent trends. This means you get expert advice without ever leaving your home, and your doctor has all the data they need at their fingertips. This isn't just another gadget. It's a proactive, always-on healthcare system that works quietly in the background, ready to alert you or your care team if anything changes. For people managing chronic conditions or for elderly family members, this technology is a true game-changer. It offers peace of mind, continuous monitoring, and the ability to catch problems before they become emergencies. And for everyone else, it's about optimizing your health, tracking your fitness, and catching small issues before they become big ones. It empowers you to take control of your well-being every single day. The Personal Health Pod is more than a glimpse into the future. It's the beginning of decentralized, personalized healthcare where every home can become a mini health clinic. It's no wonder this was one of the most impactful innovations at CES, promising to transform how we think about and manage our health, right from the comfort of our own homes. Next up, let's talk about foldable transparent displays. Yes, you heard that right. These are not just concepts from science fiction anymore. They're real, and they're here to change the way we interact with technology. Picture this: a phone that unfolds into a sleek, semi-transparent screen, seamlessly layering your favorite apps, notifications, and even navigation directions right over the real world. It's like having augmented reality built directly into your device, ready to go whenever you need it. No extra glasses or headsets required. The secret behind this magic? Next-generation micro-LED panels. These displays are not only incredibly bright and energy efficient, but they're also tough enough for everyday use. With a simple tap or gesture, they can switch from being completely opaque, perfect for privacy, to fully transparent, letting you see both your digital world and your surroundings in an instant. We even saw car dashboards that can disappear at the touch of a button, giving drivers a panoramic, unobstructed view of the road ahead. Imagine your entire dashboard turning see-through when you need it, and reappearing with all your controls and info when you don't. For artists and designers, transparent tablets are a game-changer. You can trace, sketch, and interact with your work in ways that just weren't possible before, blending the digital and physical worlds right on your desk. And for professionals, laptops with see-through screens open up new possibilities for both privacy and collaboration. Imagine working on sensitive documents that only you can see, or sharing your screen with a colleague across the table without turning your laptop around. Of course, this technology is still in its early days, and the price tags reflect that. But make no mistake, this isn't just a minor upgrade. It's a bold leap forward, hinting at a future where our screens are as dynamic and adaptable as we are. With transparent displays, we're not just looking at information, we're interacting with it in entirely new ways, blending the digital and physical worlds like never before. The future of displays just got a lot more interesting, and we're only beginning to scratch the surface of what's possible. Are you tired of the endless mess of charging cables cluttering up your home or office, the constant untangling, the hunt for the right charger, and the frustration of finding outlets? It's a daily struggle for so many of us, but what if you could leave all that behind? Meet wireless power rooms, a revolutionary step forward in how we power our devices. Volta's demo is a glimpse into the future. Imagine walking into a room, whether it's your living room, your office, or even a hotel suite, and having your phone, headphones, and smartwatch all begin charging automatically. No more searching for charging pads, no more plugging in cables, just set your devices down, and they start charging. Like magic. The secret lies in small discrete transmitters built right into the walls. These devices create a safe, invisible energy field that fills the room, ready to power up your gadgets. All your devices need is a tiny receiver chip, smaller than a coin, installed inside. The moment you walk in, your devices start charging, no matter where you place them. Sure, it's not as fast as plugging into a wall charger, but the beauty is that your devices are always charging in the background. You never have to think about it, and when it comes to safety, Volta has it covered. The system uses low power, precisely directed beams, and it's already passed strict regulatory pre-approvals. You can trust it's safe for your family and your devices. Imagine a home where every room is a wireless charging zone. No more battery anxiety, no more dead devices, just seamless invisible power wherever you go. This is the kind of invisible technology that quietly solves one of our biggest daily headaches, freeing you to focus on what matters. Once you experience it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. It's effortless, it's convenient, and it's the future of how we power our lives. The future is truly wireless, and it's closer than you think. Holographic telepresence is finally real. Proto's booth projected life-size 3D holograms of people in real time. You could walk around and see them from different angles. The sense of presence was uncanny, with low latency and natural conversation. Imagine CEOs beaming in for meetings, or surgeons consulting from afar. But the real magic, holographic visits with distant family right in your living room. Smaller personal versions are coming too. This isn't just better video calls, it's a new era of connection. Communication will never be the same. Quantum computing laptops. Yes, you heard that right. Quantileap's prototype uses a room-temperature quantum processor in a thick laptop chassis. It's not for gaming, but for solving problems classical computers can't, like protein folding or unbreakable encryption. Built-in quantum communication means next-level data security. These are niche, expensive machines for scientists and analysts, but the breakthrough is real. Quantum computing is leaving the lab and entering the real world. This is the start of a new era in computing. The future just got a lot more powerful. Smart contact lenses are finally here. Mojo Vision's prototype projects info directly onto your retina, AR overlays, health tracking, even real-time translation. Built-in sensors monitor things like eye pressure and glucose, turning the lens into a medical device. Power comes wirelessly from a neck-worn device or charging case. Regulatory hurdles remain, but the tech is ready. The most seamless interface ever. Personal computing, literally in your eye. The future of wearables is invisible. Delivery robots just leveled up. Agility Robotics Digit walks on 2 legs, climbs stairs, and delivers packages right to your door. Advanced sensors and AI let these bots handle real-world chaos. Curbs, kids, cars. Serve Robotics' smaller bots use swarm intelligence to optimize citywide deliveries. It's a coordinated autonomous logistics network. Last-mile delivery is about to get faster, cheaper, and more reliable. Seeing a robot walk up to your door will soon be normal. The future of delivery is here. Wearables now track your emotions, not just your steps. Elysian's band uses sensors and AI to detect stress, focus, and mood. It connects to your smart home. If you're stressed, lights dim and calming music plays automatically. In demos, users' stress dropped as their environment adapted in real time. This is wellness tech for your mind, not just your body. From managing anxiety to boosting focus, it's a new frontier for wearables. Technology that understands and supports your emotions. Fascinating and a bit wild. Housing is getting a tech upgrade with eco-friendly modular homes. Voxel Homes builds customizable, sustainable houses from factory-made modules. Kitchen, energy, water, all plug and play. Smart modules mean you can swap out or upgrade parts of your home as needed. Central AI manages energy, water, and climate for efficiency. Materials are green and ultra-insulated, with smart windows and solar built in. Homes can expand, reconfigure, or even move as your needs change. It's fast, affordable, and eco-friendly. A dynamic platform for living. The future of housing is modular and smart. VR's biggest problem, movement, finally has a solution. Infinitec's next-gen treadmill uses active belts that move in any direction, letting you walk, run, or dodge naturally in VR. The system tracks your body with precision and reacts instantly, keeping you centered. No more joysticks or awkward sliding, just pure, immersive movement. It's a game changer for gaming, training, rehab, and even virtual tourism. The hardware is big and pricey, but it solves VR's core challenge. This is the holodeck experience we've dreamed of. True VR immersion is finally possible. The metaverse just got real. That's the 10 most mind-blowing techs from CES 2025. Which one blew your mind? Which would you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives into the future of tech. We've got more coverage and reviews coming soon. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.